Hello everyone, my name is Timmy. Today I will share this channel with you. It is a very famous music channel to accompany learning. Let him earn advertising revenue on his YouTube channel every month by driving traffic. More than $119,000. Let him earn advertising revenue in 1 year. There are millions of dollars in income. A more important point. That's because he still has advertising revenue from unmanned live broadcasts. How to make these copyright-free pure music? Because many people abroad like to listen to it. This kind of music helps you relax while studying. This video has hundreds of millions of views. Such an amazing amount of views. Let's share it today. How he makes money through unmanned live broadcasts. You can see his live video. As few as 2,000 people watched online. At most, more than 40,000 people watch online. Look at this channel again in the same way. It's just a shame that there's no live broadcast. If in a coffee shop, you can listen to some music like this while drinking coffee, looking at the scene of heavy snow falling outside, playing very relaxing music. You can even make 5 to 10 videos a day. Post to YouTube, because it is simple and easy to operate. Start sharing now. First, make pictures through AI. Want to cut this picture. In fact, you only need to use the screenshot tool. Cut out this picture and save it. Next comes the AI toolbox. I found an AI face changer here. This is a free AI drawing tool. Click to open it. After coming in, of course you need to register an account. There is no need to go through the process of registering an account, because it's completely free. A website where you can create AI pictures at will, including beautiful women and pictures you like. Click to start creating. Come backstage. Here you can see that the picture on the left is a touching picture. Click to open. Just upload the picture you just took here. Upload here. It will automatically recognize it here. The content of your picture. No need to fill in or change. Here you can see that there are 2 templates. You can replace it. Click here to change template. The second template was chosen because I tried this template. The effect after generation is still relatively good. You can also try other more templates. Test it and see how it works. Then just click generate here. You also need to set its parameters. Here you can see that the choice is high definition. Its highest resolution can reach to K. Then look here. Choose how many pictures you want to generate. Choose to here. Then test the ratio of the image. I chose the 16:9 ratio. Then just generate the regenerated AI picture. He has generated these 2 pictures. Well enough. Compare the generated effects of these 2 pictures. Just download this picture. See, there is a download button in the upper right corner. One saved these 2 pictures. After saving, the picture on the left is the original picture. The one on the right is the generated AI picture. You can look at the stools and cups and candles. In fact, everything has changed, and the scenery outside has also changed. So it looks like the 2 pictures are almost the same to you, but they have changed. In other words, it becomes an original picture of AI. Picture ready? Found here. This is a free online picture editing software. Photopea? Go to this website. This is a completely free website. After entering this website, you need to download the picture you just downloaded. Drag directly to the line. This website can be edited for free. What needs to be edited is to uncheck this window. Then find one on the left. Outlining tool for irregular graphics. Select it. Now just need to put these windows. Click to see a line appear here. Click again on the left line. Come to a corner of this window. Choose again. Click again and you will see this line. That is to say, frame this entire window. After framing, he appears like this figure. Just click delete on your keyboard. Delete key and it becomes empty. In other words, delete this content. Then the same way, put all places are hollowed out. Click to select this window in the same way. After selecting, just click delete to delete it. When you see them all, uncheck them. I need to export this picture. Click on the upper left corner. This is the file directory. There is an export here. Export selected images in PNG format. Just save it. Back to AI drawing again. I chose simple drawings. What is entered again here is background of snowy woods on Christmas night. Then you need to choose a parameter, which is the 16:9 ratio. Choose this template just now. You can also try other templates. The first template I tried worked well. Then you only need to generate this AI picture. The effect generated by this picture is quite good. Just click the download button here. Continue to the AI toolbox. Find this tool for AI music here. Find this AI music tool. The first website I found was Fiverr. Click to open this website. Log in with your own account. Click to log in to see. After entering, click on the upper left corner. Music created here. The first template is selected to create music. You can see the first music template can be created by clicking on this template, or you can search lo-fi directly. Here is where to find all this type of music can be created. For example, the first music. You can also try it out. Come back to the channel where you saw him. Compare. In fact, the music he played, it's very similar to the music I just heard. It's all the same pure music. His music is also of this type. Then choose a template. Click on the first template in front to create. The option here can be automatic. It can be based on his duration. That is the free version. Can only create music of up to 3 minutes. Just select the first one, less than 30 seconds or 30 to 1 minute. Choose how many of this music here. You can choose 5. Click to generate. You can see it here. All this music was generated. You can come and listen. How about the effect of listening to something casually? I think it's okay. You can download it all. There is a download here on the right. Select MP3 format. Download all these audios. After the music material is also set. Come now, continue or go to the AI toolbox to find it. This is a free editing software from the Wondershare website. This software supports multiple languages. Click to open. You can go directly to his official website. You can see it scroll to the bottom. He speaks many languages. You can choose according to your own language habits. Just download and install this software. This button downloads and installs it. This process is also very simple. After installation, it looks like this. Start creating your creation. You can see this software. Import the material just now. Pull this picture into orbit too. Then pull this music into the track. You can press the Ctrl key. Roll the mouse wheel to zoom out. Go ahead and put this music in too. Put the music in the same way. You can also make it longer. Now put this other picture in too. Need to put the first picture in front. You can see it here. You can see it here. There is a night scene effect. I need to make the picture at the back a little darker. Then we need to find some special effects. Click here to select this special effect. Choose to search for snow effects here. Search out. Here are some free effects. So drag it to the track. Pay attention to the location of special effects. Put it between these two pictures. It can be seen that it is very simple. It only takes maybe 3 to 5 minutes to do it. Such a video. There is an export in the upper right corner here. There is an export button in the upper right corner. Export this video. Noticed his channel. There is a way to make money through live streaming. His live videos have 2,000 to 40,000 people online. The number of people online is very powerful. Through this live broadcast, he play continuously. You can also get advertising revenue from it. So his income is very considerable. How to live broadcast without anyone. And it plays 24 hours a day. Here you can use a software. Continue or come to the AI toolbox. Here is the tool for unmanned live streaming. Click to open this tool. Log in directly. Log into this site. First you need to create your own account. When you enter the background, can be seen here. Click to start creating your live broadcast. There are 2 options here. You can add music to the material, continuous loop playback, or a video of you doing it directly. Each video can be played in turn or out of order. Let's look at the first method first. You need to upload all the music first. I just need to take the 3 music files Click to join these 3 music. Tick 3 music. You can choose different ways to play. Click Next. You need to upload the background of this played video. Delete music here, because the music has just been uploaded. Export videos without music. It's a video with dynamic background. Now you just need to upload this material. After seeing the material uploaded, need to select his live streaming key. Click to open this key. That is to say, what needs to be selected is YouTube Live Broadcast. You need to enter your channel name. You can have any name, or I can enter my name here. Name input information. We need another key here. There is live broadcast here in the upper right corner. Click this live broadcast. He jumps here. The first one is the start of live broadcast. First choose the second one to live broadcast through software. Make you want to start making profits. That is to say, he will make money when you broadcast live. You need to insert ads here. You see, you are more conservative when inserting ads. It's better to be more balanced and more aggressive. Generally speaking, the middle one is suitable. After saving, it's here. You also need to choose to copy your key here. Live key, copy and paste your key here. Save your key to the process of setting it up. After setting up, select the key for your channel. Completed? Completed through live broadcast settings. You want to start live streaming immediately, or choose a different time to broadcast live. Or you can choose the 24-hour and interrupted live broadcast here. You can use this software. Live broadcast like him 24 hours a day. You can get advertising revenue from it. If today's video content, if it can be of some help to you, I hope you can give this video a free like. If you have any problems with operation, you can tell me through the message area below. If you have the latest creative ideas, I will also share it with you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next issue.